I can hear it trying. Sounds like it's trying to lock. I smell heat. Okay. Yeah.
I couldn't remember how long it had been.
Yeah.
Or how long it was, but.
All right. Do me a favor.
Mm-hmm.
Turn the brake. Actually, let me try one more thing here.
Okay.
All right. So you see the error message. That is basically the unit is not able to lock. So I'm going through the settings. I was pretty much trying to see if I can initiate self-clean. Self-cleaning initiate the locking mechanism. That's one thing you can do as well, but basically just using the oven will initiate lock, so you don't actually have to try the steam clean or the self-cleaning option, but that is an option as well. So the unit is not locking, and if it's not able to lock, then it will not go to the next step, which is it's calling for heat. So follow along as I go through the steps to basically get this unit up and running. Nothing inherently was broken. The member of the family actually yanked the door open without properly opening it properly, so it damaged the mechanism. So follow along and you'll see how I took care of this. All right, enjoy the rest of the video. There we go. Yeah, same code. All right, so turn power off for me.
You got it.
So we might be in luck. Yeah. I think she yanked the power wire off the switch. So we might actually be in luck. All right, so now it's time to put the assembly back in. Take your time, make sure the unit is powered off. Now, I recommend you use just a regular Phillips. Do not use a power driver. The porcelain enamel on these units are very delicate. It will chip if you over tighten, so be super careful, and just manual Phillips screwdriver does the job just as good. All right. Power back on, please. Now I don't hear that.
I was just gonna say that.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
That's normal.
That's normal, right? Okay. And relay cycling. It's longer than previous. Oh,
And it's still
177.
moving. Yeah, and it's
Yeah,
moving now.
yeah. 179. Yeah. Oh yeah, 180.
Okay. We
Yeah.
should be then that.
Yeah. Yeah. So the connection was when she yanked it, she literally caused the wire because I think the unit was locked.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah, because it was preheating.
correct, and the wire basically came off. So it was kind of like teetering in between, but not
Okay.
enough power to actually do anything. So yeah, I think it's totally fine. So
I
do
had
you want
this.
to leave it or you want
No,
to?
you can turn it off.
Okay.
I had this fear in my head that it was like, oh my gosh, we need like a whole new door.
I know, right?